How to format text in LinkedIn. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn on your device and log into your account. Then scroll down and click on Start a Post. Here, type in what you want to type and then copy. Simply select it and press on Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then in a new page, open Google Docs and paste it in here by clicking on Ctrl+V. Then at the top, you'll find text formatting options. You can select any of them, change font size, font, and then same process, copy it and then go to LinkedIn and then paste it. It will be formatted and then you can post it as you want. This is how to format text on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.